Hi everyone, I want to take you through the anatomy of a natural gas trade in under 3 minutes. First thing I do is I look at the COT report, which I get from barchart.com. That's what you can see on the page in front of you. I scroll down, I read the blurb if I feel like it. We're trying to set a general picture before we go to the charts, so I'm trying to get as much information as possible. I also want to look at the COT report itself. First thing I look at is where are we seasonally? As you can see, we're currently well above seasonal average, which is way below us. Then I look at the COT report and see where traders are positioned. The first ones I look at are the managed money and the non-commercials. So managed money is weighted to the long side, non-commercials weighted to the short side, so a bit of a mixed picture. Commercials weighted to the short side, as are producers, and other reportables or retail traders also weighted to the short side. Swap dealers weighted to the long side, and that's always a contrarian indicator expecting this market to go down. So the COT report shows us in summary that we've got the market at historically high prices for this current season, and the COT report seems to be, if anything, weighted to the short side. So based on the COT report being at historically high levels and the market, if anything, weighted to the short side, including the producers, managed money, non-commercial, swap dealers and other reportables, we should have in mind that we're looking for short trade opportunities before we go to the charts. Let's go to the charts. The first thing I want to do on the charts is to confirm whether we're in an uptrend or a downtrend, and what you can see from here is that we were in an uptrend. We broke down below it, we retested it from the underside, we failed that retest and started to move down. We had a bit of a rally yesterday. We'll have a look at that more closely on the 4-hour chart, and also the position that we've just taken. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, you can see we rallied out of that short-term channel with a sharp burst up yesterday, only up into this order block, and then turned around after having performed a reversal full stop candle at the top. We also had a 4-hour candle with a big strong wick high, a few candles prior to that, and then the full stop candle followed this little bullish candle thereafter. We take the trade at the time of the rollover and not before and not after. We're not looking at 1-hour charts or 5-minute charts or any other sort of chart. And we take the trade at the time of the rollover, not 5 or 10 minutes before and not 5 or 10 minutes after. We wait for the 4-hour candle to roll over, and that's what we did on this occasion and sold at the top of that order block. Notice as well that it's also a 61.8% retracement of the move from the top down to the bottom, this last swing low. And, well, not quite, but almost 61.8% at Fibonacci level there. If this market carries on moving down, we will have also performed a double top at this level just above $4. As you can see, switching back to the day chart, the market at the moment is in the habit of forming double tops. We've got one on the day chart, and now we've got one on the 4-hour chart. And that, folks, is the anatomy of a natural gas trade. We're short from $4.09, looking for a move down to $3.75 and then $3. This is a very quick summary of the trading process that I go through and the trading system that I use to trade natural gas every day. The good news is that I'm releasing a course in March on natural gas trading, wherein I will detail everything that I've talked about today in a lot more detail to give you the edge in your natural gas trading. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, follow me on X, and make sure you look out for notifications as they arise. Take care.